Hello, I'm Bernard Hickey from interest.co.nz and welcome to 90 at 9, brought to you in association with the BNZ. This is your morning briefing where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, starting now with news that Moody's has said it may downgrade Spain's credit rating. Spain, remember, is the world's 8th largest economy, and if it was to fall over, this would cause major grief inside Europe's financial system. Everyone's watching it, including those on the US stock market. The Dow slid 1.2% in late trade. The S&P 500, which is a wider measure of the stocks there, fell 1.1% and closed at 1,030. Now this is below the key support level of 1,040. And everyone will be watching late on Friday night in particular when we get key jobs figures in the United States. If they're bad, all bets are off on the US stock market. Meanwhile, the New Zealand dollar continued to fall sharply overnight, again moving in tandem with the US stock market as it has done in the last couple of years. The New Zealand dollar hit 68.5 US cents in morning trade. Remember, just a few days ago it was at 71.5. Good news, however, though, from Europe, where the European Central Bank managed to lend 131.9 billion euros for 3 months to a bunch of banks there. This was less than many had forecast and shows perhaps the European banking system is not in the mess that some had expected. Back in New Zealand now, July the 1st, and a big day for the New Zealand economy because prices are going up. Petrol prices will rise, registration prices will rise, power prices will rise. In fact, inflation in this current year, after the GST increase in October, is expected to hit 6%. This is because of changes to the emissions trading scheme and increases in ACC levies. Meanwhile, also July the 1st, an important day. It's the first day after June the 30th for South Canterbury Finance and Allied Farmers. Allied Farmers was due to renegotiate a big loan with Westpac yesterday, and we've had no news on that. We'll find out today or tomorrow, we expect. South Canterbury Finance, well, Alan Hubbard said he'd have a buyer for his stake by June 30. Nothing yet. And finally, news that SBS Bank, the Invercargill-based Southern Building Society, or former Southern Building Society, plans to merge with HBS Building Society. That's the Hawke's Bay Building Society. 2.63 billion is SBS Bank, 185 million HBS Building Society. SBS is planning to create a New Zealand-wide mutual community bank. It has 15 branches. HBS has 2 branches, one in Napier, one in Hastings. I'm Bernard Hickey. That was 90 at 9, brought to you in association with the BNZ.